Good morning, everyone, or some of you are watching, afternoon. This is the Northern Bros 3, and as you can see, there's a river in front of us here in northern Illinois. It's the morning time and it's overcast, about 75. Going to be some storms this afternoon, and we have some brothers fishing here. Here's our first brother, Isaac. Let's see what he's got on this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Today I got on a chartreuse tail swim bait. I'm trying to catch smallmouth, but it's pretty deep today because we've had a rain a lot this week.
What are you hoping to get in here, or what have you gotten in here before?
I've caught a smallmouth on this exact lure.
How big was it?
2
Without telling a
pounds.
fishtail.
2 pounds, 15 inches.
Woo!
Off a bed.
All right, looks like the water's moving pretty quickly here. All right, if you get something, holler at us here.
Okay.
See the river down there and the wind blowing. Winds are about 15 to 25 miles an hour, so you may hear that on the video. All right, here's our second bro of Northern Bros. Who do we have here?
Aaron.
Aaron, how are you?
Good. I'm tying on marabou jig, a white one.
Let me see that one. Let's get a close up.
Yeah, I've been using these for a long time. I need to cut the access line off. So
Okay.
got my pliers.
What'd you have on first? You must have had some.
A little yellow spinner bait here. Doesn't work very good.
What are you getting here? Pliers. Aaron, how many pliers have you lost through the years?
Tons. Too many.
Too many.
10.
All right, what are you hoping to catch?
Just some bluegill. Really anything, actually.
All right,
Whatever
let's,
bites.
let's see if Isaac gets one. Let's watch this cast here. Scoot over his shoulder here.
Whoa.
Don't fall in. That would make for an exciting video, but we don't want that. You can see the sun reflecting off the water there. It's trying to break through. I don't think you can see your lure in the water.
Put my polarized over it. See if that does anything.
Yeah, let's try the polarized glasses through here. Terribly foggy. There you go.
I'm gonna let that sit there. I don't know if it's gonna be.
All right. All right, we've got one more brother here. Aaron, did you get tied on yet?
No, it's very pesky for some reason. About got it off though. There we go.
There's no fish outside of the water.
Yeah, I need both.
All right, we'll follow him and see where he's gonna go here. There's a little spot down here. It looks like it's worn out. Somebody's been fishing here before, haven't they?
Yeah, probably us.
That's us.
Probably these guys. How often you guys come fishing down here? During a week?
Well, when it's really good weather, we fish like maybe 4 times or more.
What all do you catch down here besides the smallies?
Rock that.
And bluegill. One time we caught crappie. There's tons of carp. I actually had a carp on, but I lost it.
Yeah, what haven't you caught but you know is in here?
Pike.
Pike, northern pike.
I've caught 1 pike down there.
You caught one?
Yeah,
Last year?
yeah, it was super.
What'd you catch that one on?
Creek chub, minnow.
Creek chub minnow.
Live.
A live one? Did you catch it first?
Yep.
And you just hook it through the mouth or what?
I don't even know.
You just hooked it somehow.
I think it was through the mouth.
All right, Aaron, you gonna make a cast here?
Yeah, hopefully that's it.
All right, don't hook me.
This is where some bluegill are.
All right, I'm right behind you. That was close. All right, get one here. So we can show folks what it's like down here. He's just jigging his marabou jig. Hence the name marabou jig.
Why just hit my hand?
Fly hit it?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Could have caught him.
I can see flies swarming around me.
We could catch him with bait.
You can hear the birds singing. It's supposed to rain pretty severely this afternoon. Hoping to get some before the cold front comes. All right, looks like we've got one more. Of course, this is Northern Bros 3, not Northern Bros 2.
Oh, what?
I think they just crossed their lines down there. All right, here's our third Northern Bro, Elias.
Down there, a Bluegill hit my spinner.
What do you have on? Let's look at it.
Rooster tail.
What kind is that? What brand?
Rooster tail.
So, is it a...
It's number one.
Oh, it's an actual rooster tail.
Yeah.
I like the color.
Another bass phone ran up down there too. So.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Smallie?
I couldn't tell. It's only 6 or 7 inches.
All right, don't hit me here. Let's see if you can catch one here. We got all three of them fishing relatively close. Let me see if I can get all three in the... you can't see Isaac. He's behind that bush where Aaron is, or behind that tree. So far, no fish, but it's always good just to get out in nature and enjoy the weather, especially since it's going to be rainy this afternoon. We won't have to stay inside. All right, Elias, get one right here, bud. Seems like every time we come down here, somebody gets either itchweed or poison ivy or some other foreign itchy substance, especially Elias. It seems to go through the air and get on him. All summer long he usually is itching his arms or his legs. But it's worth it, isn't it, Elias?
Yep. Especially if you get a fish.
Yes. All right, make another cast here. See if you get one.
Might be a rock bass looking like.
Maybe difficult to see on video, but the river here that we're fishing, it's usually quite a bit lower than this, so you can see right down in it, and you can actually sight fish. But right now, whoa, just about fell right there.
That's how I get it.
That's another thing that Elias often does. He likes to get as close as he can to the shore. But usually it's shallow enough where you can see the fish on the bottom actually swimming. There's some huge carp in here. But right now it's probably up. We've been getting rain. It's probably up, I don't know, maybe half a foot or so. Maybe a little bit deeper than that. All right, let's look at your gear here. What do you have? Since you're not catching any fish. Tell me where you got this stuff and what it is.
This is from my ultralight, but my rod broke, so this is my substitute reel for this.
Where'd you get that reel, you say?
I got it for Christmas. It's
Okay.
a Daiwa.
All right.
Then I got it's a Quantum Optics.
Where'd you get that at?
Fleet Farm.
Fleet Farm.
So it's pretty, yeah, it's 5.6.
How much did the whole rod and reel cost you, do you think, if you were to guess?
I don't know, maybe 40 bucks.
40 bucks? Take a look at his hat, too. Not a fishing hat, is it?
Nope.
Tops. Got that at the
National Baseball Card Show.
National Baseball Card Show.
2019.
2019. It was in Chicago. Oh, here comes Isaac. Let's see if he caught anything. Isaac, did you get anything?
No,
Oh, that's Aaron. Sorry about that.
nothing yet. Isaac went over the creek chip spot, but it's moving too
All right, why don't you go down to our famous spot down here to the whale tail? I'll follow you. Let's see if we can get one down here. Hopefully we don't see any snakes.
Yeah, I don't think he's not really good.
You ever see any snakes down here?
Nope, nothing.
That's a good thing.
Only snapping.
Snapping turtles?
Yep, that's it.
You can see how wide the river is. There's usually cranes down here, and oftentimes we'll see ducks. But I don't see either of those this morning. What's nice is some of the folks along the river here, they'll actually mow it down to just 2 or 3 feet from the shore.
This is where that smaller one that Isaac caught.
Okay, this is the spot.
Yeah.
If you can look up here, there's normally shallows right there, and then it gets a little deeper. So they're going down to a spot where we caught several down here. All right, Elias is going to cast right here.
This is where I had that bass ball line up. Yeah, right there.
I'll get a couple casts with you, and then somebody's got to get one here.
Yeah, right along the shoreline is where I had that bass ball line up. He's darting at it. I don't know if you can see, but there's a fallen log up there. Normally in the summer, you get a bunch of smallmouth.
Stay right up by that log. Ooh, against the wind.
Yeah.
Hopefully the wind doesn't sound too loud. Video here.
Weeds are getting.
All right, one more
real.
cast and I'm going to go down with Aaron.
Okay.
See if he catches anything. Oh, there's the sun trying to shine. All right, I'm going to walk down here. A couple weeks ago, maybe it's not 2 weeks ago, but a week and a half ago, all four of us waded down here. And I think we caught one creek chub. Aaron, did you catch anything when we went wading down here the other day? You guys, you know what? I think you guys caught a bunch of creek chub actually. Now that I think about it.
I think right when we came in.
Yeah, like right where we started is where we caught something, but we went probably for an hour. And sometimes that's the way it works. Isaac's at the famed spot. When we get down here, you'll see a black, some kind of drainage thing that the city put in. There's a big berm here, if you can see it. There's houses to the left. These houses to the left, they couldn't build their houses with a foundation because it's in a floodplain, I think a 500-year floodplain or something like that. Anyways, you can see the black thing they stand on, and to the left of them is a giant hole, a deep hole. What do you guys call this spot here?
Whale tail.
Why do we call it the whale tail?
Is the black thing listed the whale tail?
Let me see if I can get a picture of it without dropping my phone. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks like a whale tail from the side. All right, cast right in there, Isaac. Oh. You can see they're both fishing on here. It's like fish in a bucket. If there's a fish in the bucket, hopefully. Somebody's got to get one here. Isaac, what you got on?
I think I showed already, but this one.
Oh. Aaron, there's no fish in the trees.
Like the bush.
Weed bush. All right, we'll go over here. Isaac's trying to catch one. Hard to cast upstream, that's for sure. All right, Aaron, did you get it out of the tree?
Yeah.
He's back in the water. Good thing he didn't have to break off.
Okay, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed our little fishing trip. God bless.